Hey, so we've got another lick coming up in just a second, but before we jump into that, if you do like the video, please do consider subscribing, liking and hitting that bell button, ding dong, for all future notifications of these videos and other stuff that I will post as well. If you want the tab, it's on my website, link below and on the cards, and if you would like the full jamming track, again that's linked below and on the cards as well, on the Patreon page that is. Yeah, not much else to say about it, so I'll just jump in and show you that lick now. There it is. It's smooth. It's quite fast. It's like the track itself is at 124 beats per minute, and you're using 16th notes. So you've got quite a challenge in the sense of speed because of the repetition and the way it's moving across sort of 2 or 3 strings on some of them as well. So that's your challenge really with this one, and it's whether to use hybrid picking like I would use, or I did use, and or using alternate picking or just your fingers. So you can combine the two with hybrid, or you can use individually. So it's your call, your choice, and I'll leave that up to you to decide. But take note of where the pull-offs are and the vibrato, because if you get the vibrato and the pull-offs in the right place, then it's just going to sweeten it up nicely. But yeah, there's not really much else to say about it. That is it. It's a simple pentatonic lick, just played quite quickly. So I'm going to give you the breakdown coming up now. Full tone from that 15th fret on the 2nd string. And now as you let it back down, you're going to then pull off to the 13 on that same string, obviously. Going to the 14 on the 3rd string, 12 on the 1st, 15 on that 2nd with the vibrato. That's quite important for this part. So now if you're going to pick it, that's the way I would do it. So down, pull off, down, up, down. So a hybrid picking, I'm using my finger for the 12th fret on that 1st string. So you can either start it with the pick or start it with the finger. Up to you. Your call on that one. Now the next part, we've got a repetition of 15 coming off to the 13, same string, which is the 2nd string, so you're pulling that off, which I'm using my finger for, and then I'm playing the 14th fret on the 3rd string with the plectrum. So okay, now that goes around. I just got to check the tab because I can't remember. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it goes back to the 13 with your finger on that 2nd string, to the 14 with your plectrum on the 3rd string, pull off, and then plectrum on the 14 of the 4th string, finger does the 14 on the 3rd string, and you could probably bring the plectrum in to play that 12th fret, the G, on that 3rd string to finish with. So yeah, so you can see what I'm doing, my plectrum and my pick. So okay, so I'm going to play it slow for you now. Here it goes. 3, 4, and so when you're using the hybrid picking, it just gives it a bit of a pop as you pull with your finger. So more so than you would with the plectrum, or just a different sound actually. So it's nice to get a combination of hybrid picking and alternate picking, and that's something for you to work on. There you go. You made it to the end. I'm not going to sing. Yeah, so the tab for it is on my website, and the Patreon page holds the full-on track, which is available on the Jam Zone tier system. and you can get the smaller version coming up in just a second. But that leaves me to say, if you did like this video, please do like, share and subscribe, and watch some of the other videos that I post. Hit the bell button as well, it helps, it does, it really does help. So I shall see you all next week for another lick, and that's it. I'll leave you with the jam track coming up now in A minor. Nice, see you later, bye.